Sparkle Besties. I'm back, and we have a project that we're gonna do. We have this Barbie pool and patio set. It is from 1988, and I know you guys didn't think that Barbie was gonna have a bling mansion without having a Barbie bling pool. So we're gonna get this thing started. Okay, this is a beach blast Barbie pool and patio set. I really love the size of this pool. I picked it because I can already picture it in my head how it's gonna look with the sparkle, and I plan to do a lot of painting. I'm gonna change some things up because I'm not a huge fan of yellow and Barbie. It's just really not my thing, but that is okay. So here it shows that this was manufactured in 1988. So it most likely was released in 1999. I'm learning that Mattel usually has the manufacturer's date and then it's like a year after the fact. So we did get a lot of pieces in here. I purchased this on eBay. The only thing I did not get was the grill, and I'm totally okay with that because I could really care less about a grill, y'all. But I am so excited about bringing this to life and showing you guys some details on how we bring all of this together. Let's take out all of these pieces to see. We got instructions. Right. So look at the stickers. We're not going to be using any of these because I'm not even going to keep the same colors. Honestly, it has to match the bling mansion. So that's what I want it to do. I love how they wrap this in saran wrap. That was so nice. Let's get out all our pieces. Definitely everything's getting painted. So we'll be able to do a lot of painting today because the weather is so nice and warm. So that's a good thing. I'm just gonna unwrap all of this. And I am so excited because I've been waiting to do this for a while now. Get all of this off. And I'm actually really thankful that they did this because we keep all the pieces intact. So I'll be back. Right now I'm organizing the pieces by color because that helps my brain to decide what it is I want to do. I'm just going to group all of the like pieces together like so. And then like I said, all of the similar pieces I'm going to put together. Let me get my little light. And I love the fact that it came with instructions because this is so helpful. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the palm tree. I'm gonna look at the box again. I didn't know the base of the palm tree was pink. It sure is. So yeah, we may change that to, well, I do like the pink. I ain't gonna lie. I like the pink. The base of it is not going to be yellow. All the yellow that you see is going to be our white opal color that's on the dream house. And we'll keep this color because, why paint when you don't have to? So I'm going to keep the fence this light pink color. And we're going to do bling on the fence. We're going to change all of the yellow to white. Even here, that's going to be that. And then all of the hot pink is going to stay hot pink, but we're just going to spruce it up and give it a fresh hot pink color. Now, mind you, I probably will not add bling to these chairs, but y'all know I like to change my mind a lot, so don't listen to me because anything can happen. Okay, but yeah, love this pool. I think it's so cute, and I can't wait to get everything set up with the dolls because my vision for this is crazy. I was not expecting it to be this big, y'all. Like, what? I'm like, okay, Barbie. We're gonna keep our palm tree. Oh, look at that. I love it. I love it. Come on, palm tree. Don't play with me. Because it's cute. That's real cute. Yeah, this is cute. That's cute. I can see it in my mind already. These look like the poles. I don't know. I think this might go to this umbrella. I don't be knowing what I'm doing, y'all. Let's see doing stuff. I think it go like this, and then it go like this. I don't know. It looks like it does, but again, it may not. Oh, okay. We do. I just want to see what's the oh no. I think okay. I think this one go with this one. Or does it? I do think so. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, maybe not. Maybe this. Okay, all right. So these are our little accessories. We're going to make sure we paint the ones that stand out, such as this little raft, because little life-saving thingamabobber. And like, I think this is how you hang it on the fence. So we do want to make sure we paint that. And then we got a beach ball. Yes, ma'am. Another one of those. Okay. Once again, she has taken on a large project that's going to take forever. And I'm okay with that. So yeah. All right. I'm going to plan out my painting next. All right. I got all of my pieces set up. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum Heirloom White Satin Heirloom White to paint. I'm going to use this because it helps to keep the flow of the spray paint steady. I don't like to use my paint without this. So, yep. Just gonna go in and spray paint these pieces. I'm gonna paint the umbrellas Candy Gloss Ink. I'm going to paint the chairs this satin magenta. I got all of these drying. The chairs, the umbrella, the pole, and then all the white pieces, or heirloom white pieces, are over here. So we're just gonna let these dry. I have the chairs and the slide all flipped over. I'm just gonna spray paint the back of them. I'm like that. Some people probably would leave them, but I have a thing, so I'm gonna do that. Now, these are drying nicely. I'm gonna flip these at some point too, but I don't think they're ready to be flipped just yet. It's good that it's a hot day out here because these things are drying like really fast. And I'm glad that I can kind of keep an eye on it while I'm working because it helps to keep the bugs. There's like these bugs that really love paint and they'll fly into it as soon as I like get my paint good and ready. So yeah, we're gonna do these real quick. For the table, I brought it to my art space and I went ahead and added a little epoxy. I was looking for something else to add here, but I was like, you know what, I can put some epoxy here. I cut off the excess plastic and I put some epoxy, and once this cures, I'm just gonna sand it and then paint it to see if that'll, you know, fix that little dip that was there. I have all the pieces laid out here, and what I want to do is just go ahead and see how it looks all put together and go from there. Although I'm going to end up taking this back apart, I still want to see it together so that I can decide how I want to move forward, and I want to see the new color pattern come together. That way, if I want to make any changes to it, I can have a visual in my mind before moving forward. I found some of this turf at home, so I decided to use it on the bottom of the board. I thought this would give it a really good look as to being outdoors. And there's a little discoloration on that piece, but I'll be able to conceal it, so it's no big deal. Here's what our finished painted pool looks like. I am loving the colors. It looks so beautiful, and I love the matte finish. I'm just a sucker for a matte finish paint. But I'm going to show you a before so that you guys can remember the hideousness of the yellow, and now the after. So to me, that's like night and day. Moving on, I'm going to make a rug using a sheet of cardstock and some fabric that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I am literally just gluing this fabric to this cardstock so that way I have a base and it lays flat on the deck of the pool's deck. I used my mini iron to add a decal on there, and then I went ahead and used some scissors to cut some slits on the side, and I used some fabric paint to kind of incorporate that hot pink color in there. I do want to get more of that in the design as well. I also went ahead and made some pillows to match the In My Barbie era on the rug. Please keep in mind that my videos are behind the scenes. These are not tutorials. I'm not doing a step-by-step process. I'm simply showing you a little bit of my design process. I told you all earlier in the video that I wanted to add a little bit more of the aqua color because I just felt like it wasn't enough, so I went ahead and painted some stripes using that really pretty blue color onto both umbrellas, and you'll see that in another clip. I took some washcloths and I cut them in a couple of pieces and used my mini iron to kind of press them so that I can fold them. I want to create just like some folded up towels and put them on the patio furniture. I thought that would be cute. Got this cute little fashion pack from Walmart. I love the little hanger that's on there. I'm gonna use some of these for staging. I got this back wallpaper from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use it as a backdrop because it was relatively inexpensive. Some of the other paper was like way too pricey. So the only thing is it doesn't really match up at the bottom. Let me see. Wait a second. It does match up. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna line it up like so. Stick this here and remove this sticky back end. This camera back just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take this off. Now I don't have any extra of these, so I'm gonna have to do something around it to finish this off. But I do like this. Like I said, I do wish that it was pink, but it's not. And I'm gonna make it work. Because we can always switch out the background. I found these photos on eBay of the Beach Blast Barbie pool set. Oh my god, that is a tongue twister. But anywho, I wanted to show you all what it looked like before, because these are some really good pictures of it all set up. And then I'm going to show you where we are now. And this is where we are. I'm loving it so far. I did go ahead and add a little more turf around that area on the backdrop, but it is really coming together and I'm so excited to see it all blinged and finished. So please let me know how you all like this video. Stay tuned because there is a part 2.